Imagine a world millions of years ago, where giant creatures roamed the earth, and the landscapes looked nothing like they do today. How do we know this world even existed? The answer lies beneath our feet: fossils. These ancient remnants are more than just fascinating relics, they're the key to understanding one of the most profound scientific theories of all time: evolution. But how exactly do fossils provide evidence for evolution? Let's dig in. Fossils are the preserved remains or traces of organisms that lived in the past. They can be bones, shells, footprints, or even impressions of leaves. But how do they help us understand evolution? Well, fossils act like snapshots in time, giving us a glimpse into the history of life on Earth. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence fossils provide is the sequence of life. By studying the layers of rock where fossils are found, scientists can determine the relative ages of different species. This allows us to see how life has changed over millions of years. For example, we've discovered that simple, single-celled organisms appear in the oldest rocks, while more complex organisms, like fish, reptiles, and mammals, appear in younger layers. This progression aligns perfectly with the idea that life has evolved from simple to complex forms over time. Fossils also show us transitional forms, organisms that display characteristics of both older and more recent species. Take, for instance, the famous Archaeopteryx. This ancient creature had feathers like a bird but also teeth and a bony tail like a dinosaur. It's a perfect example of a missing link, showing how birds evolved from small, feathered dinosaurs. But fossils don't just tell us what changed, they also give us clues about how and why. By studying the structure of fossilized bones, scientists can infer how an organism moved, what it ate, and even how it interacted with its environment. For example, the transition from fins to limbs in ancient fish fossils helps us understand how vertebrates first moved onto land. Fossils also provide evidence for the movement of continents and the changing geography of Earth. For instance, fossils of the same species have been found on continents that are now thousands of miles apart, like South America and Africa. This supports the idea that these continents were once connected, a key piece of evidence for the theory of plate tectonics and how it influenced the evolution of life. Some of the most famous fossils have revolutionized our understanding of evolution. Take Lucy, the 3.2 million-year-old hominin fossil, which showed us how early humans walked upright. Or Tiktaalik, a fish-like creature with limb-like fins, which bridges the gap between aquatic and land-dwelling animals. These discoveries are like pieces of a puzzle, helping us reconstruct the story of life on Earth. Today, technology is taking fossil research to the next level. High-resolution CT scans, 3D modeling, and even DNA analysis are allowing scientists to extract more information from fossils than ever before. This is helping us refine our understanding of evolutionary relationships and uncover new details about ancient life. So, the next time you see a fossil in a museum or in a documentary, remember, it's not just a rock or a bone. It's a piece of Earth's history, a clue to the incredible journey of life, and a testament to the power of evolution. Fossils remind us that every living thing on this planet is connected, and that life is always changing, adapting, and evolving. From the tiniest microbe to the largest dinosaur, fossils tell the story of how life has transformed over billions of years. They are the evidence that connects us to our past and helps us understand our place in the grand tapestry of evolution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of science. Until next time, keep exploring.